Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka riu ni kunyitanire nginyagia makiria kona Dama ni eyumiria na akorwo akiuga ni akwaria ma atagwitigira na ndakuhenia Karangu tondu we ni arona maria mothe marathie na mbere na we ni oi ndeto ici kihumo giacio niku kuria akorwo gitamura Caro Kim live akiuga Caro Kim ni wokoretwo agika maundu behind the scenes niguo kunina treason no roho akihenia Karangu ati ni kugeria rageria gucokia ritwa riake. Dama akorwo akiuga ati Caro Kim no okoretwo akirekereria audio ta eno ya treason kuria treason araiguikanaga agiekete muno akiuga ginyagia no anine kairetu kao karia kanini no roho Karangu akirekondi video icio agithekaga muno akorwo akiuria Karangu, how will you afford to lose everything, your brand, your family, your image, your big influence, your friends, your job, your religious authorities, just because of a side chick who has totally nothing to lose? Like how and why? This side chick will finish you, and the end of the day, when down and out, she will walk to the next victim. Dama akorwo akira Karangu ni mwoyaine miaka mingi muno na we ndakumuhuha na tumaheni na gukorwo akimwira mayothe na akamwira Caro Kim no urathukia maundu ginyagia makiria akamwira stop shifting blames. Those spreading the videos did not record nor have access to your phone. Your side chick leaked it, then started playing the victim. Her day of tears is coming soon cause God is not biased. Your wife kept quiet for years to protect you and her kids, but your side head made sure she drove her to the wall. Karangu, nothing will set you free but the truth, and the truth is you. You're losing it over a side chick who always create wrangles then hibernates instead of fighting for you, and when battles and dust settles, she comes out courageously into your pages to prove she is the one you love, to provoke treason. Be wise. We hope these two shall pass, but the power is in your hands. Clear the mess if at all you wish to redeem yourself. I pray for your peace, knowledge and wisdom. Dama akiuga ona Caro Kim no okoretwo control page ici cia Karangu kuria akoretwo akirekereria video ici ciothe niguo tu kuherekia na kuherithia treason na maundu makorwo makiumbukana guku nenda-ini na maundu nginya mahorera agacoka agetwa victim. Dama akiuga ndagukira ringi akionaga maria marathie na mbere na kuharaganio ni Caro Kim guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Thie na mbere na turn on notification yaku niguo hingo ciothe twa post video ugakorwo ri wa mbere gukinyirwo.